They say diamonds are a girl's best friend, but we think makeup is a close second. With shelves of products for you to choose from, buying makeup can be overwhelming. Our wedding wingman is here to help you by sharing the essential products she keeps in her makeup bag as a makeup artist. In this video, you'll learn the 15 products you'll need for a wedding-worthy look and why. Make sure to subscribe to Wed Mayhem for more wedding planning tips and tricks. Without further ado, let's go see who's getting you ready for your day, your way.
Hello, my name is Sylvia Waller, makeup artist with Blush Now, here to show you 15 products you need for full glam wedding makeup. After watching this video, make sure you check out our tutorials on bridal glam makeup and wedding worthy makeup for mature women. Let's get glowing. So the first step to a flawless complexion would be moisturizer. And I will combine a moisturizer with a sunscreen that has at least 35 to 45 SPF in it. The second step would be to use a great primer that has a lot of tackiness to it, where it sticks, the foundation sticks and binds to the face so that it lasts longer, especially at a wedding. You want your flawless makeup to last all day. And then once you've primed the face, you want to use a foundation that is catered to your skin type. So if you're more of a mature individual, you want to use liquid. If you like more full coverage, you're probably going to use a cream. But just knowing what your skin type is helps to get the right foundation and the right look. So next we're going to go to shadow. Shadow is important because it's going to accent the eyes. It's good to have a sunscreen in your shadow. So this shadow is a primer and a shadow as well. So you can use it as a little shimmer or you can use it as a base. Next, we're going to go with the eyeliner. And I like cream eyeliners because cream eyeliners will stay in the waterline. And this is the brush that I would use for cream eyeliner. Something that's really slender and pointy, because you're going to go in the waterline in the top, which is called tight lining, and then you're going to go in the waterline at the bottom. Next, we have mascara. And when you're applying your mascara, even if you're using eyelashes, you want to make sure that you get the color, the mascara from the root all the way to the end, because if you put false lashes on and they're black, then you're going to actually see the different colors. And you want to make sure that there's no distraction with two different color types. So you want to apply your mascara and then apply your eyelash strips. Next, we want to shape and frame the eyes with an eyebrow pencil, and a nice thin eyebrow pencil that you can kind of draw little strokes to emulate hairline strokes is really good. Your next step will be concealer if needed. So not everyone needs it. You might have to do a corrector. So I have a corrector palette that has all of the different colors. Say for example, you have really, really dark circles under the eyes. You're gonna use more of a peach, and it can go from a light peach to a dark peach or even an orange, but that's going to correct the darkness under the eye. And then you would follow up with a concealer to cover the eye. The next step is going to be a highlighter. A cream highlighter is great because it gives your cheeks some moisture and a little bit of a glow. So I like to use this flat brush that deposits a lot of product in that area, and it will actually allow your product to be visible and not blend into the skin. The next step would be cream blush. So I would use a cream blush. It's buildable, so you can actually apply it, smile and apply it on the cheeks and just follow the cheekbone and blend it in so that it gives you more of your blushing kind of look. Then you follow it up with a powder. Even with the highlighter, you follow it up with a highlighter powder. With the blush, you follow it up with a blush powder just to set it. And then to contour, we're going to use more of a bronzer. Weddings, we're not really contouring. We're not trying to chisel your face. So we just want to make sure that your face has structure. So we'll use a bronzer to kind of frame the face and structure the under the cheeks and around the forehead and under the chin. So next we're going to go to the lips. The sugar scrub is a great conditioner to use at night to sleep in, so that the next morning your lips are nice and soft and supple. It makes your lipstick stay on and go on a lot smoother. And then we have lip stain, which goes on and it stays on. It can be a little drying, so I found by applying a little bit of gloss on top of the lip stain, it kind of helps to give your lips a little more moisture and it doesn't appear to look cracky, because sometimes lip stains can dry up and appear to be cracky. So that's where the lip gloss would come in. The last step, or the second to the last step, we would set the makeup with a setting powder, and then the final step would be to spray the entire face with lips and everything with a setting spray, and that will help to hold everything in place. It will hold up to humidity and it will hold up to a long night of dancing. And as a bonus, after the wedding is over, the reception is over, and the hugs and the kisses are done, and you're back in the hotel, you have to, I can't stress this more, you have to take your makeup off. You're gonna look adorable and you're gonna look beautiful to your husband, but you cannot sleep in your makeup, but you cannot sleep in your eyelashes. So the best thing to do is to get a double cleanse, because you want to make sure you take the makeup off and then you cleanse your skin. So a oil-based cleanser is good to remove everything. It removes the waterproof mascara, it removes the makeup, it removes everything, and then you can clean your face. So those are my tips for a flawless skin for your wedding day and a flawless skin throughout your life. I hope you enjoyed this wedding-worthy product guide. Check out the description for more about me, and don't forget to click the like button. Share with anyone who would find this useful, and subscribe to Wed Mayhem for more wedding advice from myself and other industry insiders. Again, I'm Sylvia Waller, a makeup artist with Blush Now, here on Wed Mayhem, and we are vowed to your vision.